Soften your suggestions with would in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of politeness and tone in conversational English. Specifically, we will explore how to use the modal verb, would, to soften suggestions. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered this powerful tool to make your English communication more polite, respectful, and effective. Before we dive into how to use would to soften suggestions, let's first understand what would is. Would is a modal auxiliary verb. We often use it when we're talking about hypothetical situations, polite requests, and suggestions. It's the past form of will, but we often use it in present situations too. Now, let's dive deeper into how we use would to soften suggestions. Using would can help make your suggestions sound less direct and more considerate. This can be especially important in formal situations or when you're trying to be especially polite. For example, instead of saying, "You should go to the doctor," which might sound a bit demanding, you can say, "Would you consider going to the doctor?" This version of the suggestion sounds much softer and more respectful. Let's go over a few more examples to ensure we understand how to use would to soften suggestions. Instead of, "You need to eat healthier," try, "Would you think about eating healthier?" Instead of, "Do this task right now," say, "Would you be able to do this task right now?" By starting your suggestion with would, you turn a command into a respectful query, thus softening the tone of your speech. Now that we understand the use of would in softening suggestions, let's do a little exercise. I will provide a statement, and you need to soften it using would. 1. You should start exercising. 2. Call me tomorrow. 3. Take a break. Pause the video and think about your responses. Once you're ready, resume the video for the answers. Short pause. Okay, here are the softened versions. 1. Would you consider starting to exercise? 2. Would it be possible for you to call me tomorrow? 3. Would you like to take a break? And that's it for today's video. I hope this lesson has been helpful, and you now feel more comfortable using would to soften your suggestions in English. Remember, this is a great tool to use when you want to be polite and respectful, especially in formal situations. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro in no time. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.